Ian to David.
Good.
What you doing right now?
What was that?
What are you doing right now?
Off on 3rd floor, I'm in this closet waiting for this guy to get a couple walkers up here and an oxygen tank.
Okay, because whenever you can you come over here and cover for me so I can eat lunch?
Yeah, 10-4, give me like 2-3 minutes.
Copy.
Hey, Ian, I'm on right now.
Copy.
Hey, Ian, what's your 20?
The hallway by Sonia.
I'm off the hall. I'm in patient right now. So.
Okay.
Hey, we're going to be needed to assist KPD with refusal of medical claims.
Where are you out here waiting?
Hey, Richard 20.
Repeat that?
Richard 20?
I'm out by imaging.
Hey, could you head over to cancer? Somebody keeps pressing the call help button coming from the elevator. Can you just make sure, check it and make sure it's good for?
Copy, I'll head over there. Hey, we're code 4. It's the same elevator that keeps malfunctioning and hitting the help button on its own.
Copy. Hey, Bailey, in the office?
Go ahead.
You out driving?
Repeat that?
Disregard if you're out driving.
Copy. The alarm company called and said there was a glass break alarm on them somewhere around the building, so I'm just driving around looking at all the windows.
10-4, I just got a call too, saying that the fire alarm over at Mount Shadow was tripped and they're sending the fire department over right now to check it out, so I'm going to get down to PTZ, see if I see any smoke or anything.
Copy. MPC secure.
Copy.
Admin secure. Copy.
Be advised, trauma woman is no longer allowed to have any visitation. Child is under CPS custody.
10-4. Well, the alarm company's probably going to call about a little minute. It's just me opening the doors for the power wash crew.
Good copy. Need secure.
Copy. I'm back on property. Okay, can I get you guys outside the ambulance bay?
Copy.
Burning air.
Hold 1 second.
Go ahead. Hey, do you know if that chopper's lining right now?
Ironically, that phone call just was the air evac company saying for the trauma 1 patient. They should be here in about 46 minutes, so I'm guessing it was not that bird that was landing at the airport just a few minutes ago. But there should be nothing on the pad right now.
10-4.
Since you two are walking around upstairs, could one of you stop by 3 North for some contraband?
10-4. Hey, do you guys know if we have a chopper coming in?
Not negative. We haven't seen anything, haven't got a call for anything, nothing.
Copy, it's just probably passing over then.
10-4, there is a care flight flying over us right now, but it seems to be passing the hospital.
10-4. I see you.
Hold up, you can't just tell me that over the fucking phone and expect nothing else to happen, alright? Ian McKinney.
Go ahead.
I want us to come up to 281. There's somebody up there we need to talk to.
Copy. Hey, Ian, if the guy comes back to 281, he can come back. But if he locks up, he's not coming back to get over again. You copy that, Ian?
Yeah, I got it.
Hey, Noah, there's a Jeep right here in the very front. Right straight out here in front of us. It's got a rack on the back of it, too. Does it have a license plate number on it, on there? You got a copy in?
Yeah, Bailey, he's in the pharmacy at NPC.
Copy. Yeah, he's here at the pharmacy. You might be just getting some meds or something.
That's it.
NPC secure.
Copy.
Admin secure.
Copy.
Hey Dylan, you're in the office.
Affirmative.
The paper next to where the infusion times are, does it say if the power wash crew is coming tonight?
Yeah, it says finish gates and doors and if necessary cleanup. Second check will be due.
Hey, I got a guy out here by Little Meadows who was trying to get into the NPC building and he's just walking around checking all the doors. I'm gonna make contact with him and see what's up.
Good copy. Which side of the building is he on so I can keep an eye on you guys?
He's kind of walking toward the urology building now.
Copy. Yeah, I think I see him. Is he like kind of walking towards the green dumpster?
Yeah, that's him right there. Not the old guy, but the guy in the black shirt. Looks like he might be on something.
I have eyes on him.
He's heading to the overflow parking. I'm just going to kind of tail him from a distance, make sure he's not trying to get into any cars.
Copy. Looks like he just made his way inside the wires.
Copy, yeah, he's on property.
Main secure.
10-4. Hey, I'm just going to go ahead and leave everything over here locked and set the alarm because it looks like they're down over here.
Copy.
Hey, that alarm over here is just me. I can't get the panel to work in order to shut it off, though.
Copy. Password is not working?
No, the little panel there is not even registering any buttons I push.
Good copy. We'll see about sending plan ops over and have them check it out.
10-4. Hey, I got the alarm to go off.
Hey, Bailey, be advised, plan ops is on the way to check out that panel.
Copy. It worked now, so I don't know what the deal is with it.
Copy that. I'll let him know.
You Dylan?
Go ahead.
Bring to Dylan.
Go ahead.
Hey, Dylan, Vernon's trying to get a hold of you.
I know. I'm responding. What's going on?
Hey Dylan, do you copy?
Dylan, you code 4?
Hey Dylan, are you code 4?
The alarm at the imaging center is all set and everything's locked up.
Copy. Hey Dylan, did you hear that?
I did. Are you guys copying?
You guys hear me? I hear you loud and clear. Dylan, be smart. They are messing with you.
Oh, cool. Now I know to just turn off the radio next time.
I was honestly hoping you would have done that by now.
Eric, who are you talking to?
Hey Dylan, is your radio on? Hey Eric, are you letting that flight in right now? Disregard, I see you.
Repeat that?
I was asking if you were letting that flight crew in, but I saw you on the camera pulling them into the ER, so never mind.